Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today we're gonna make a brown chicken stock, but not just any boring, regular brown chicken stock. We're gonna spice it up and add some extra flavor in there. Let's get started. For our spiced brown chicken stock, we've got whole chicken carcass, gizzards and all, and the neck, 3 stalks of celery cut up into about 1 to 2 inch pieces, 1 medium to large yellow onion cut in 8 pieces, 10 cloves of garlic that's been smashed, and in our spice mix here, we have half a teaspoon of rub sage, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice berries, and 4 bay leaves. Right, in my stock pot here, gonna turn our heat up to 350 degrees or medium high. Wait for this to come up to temp, and then we're gonna add a little bit of oil. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of grapeseed oil and start adding in our bones. Want to make sure your bones are nice and brown. Okay, once our bones have some nice color, we can add in our onions and our celery. Once you get some nice color on your onion and celery, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Gizzards and garlic, add in our spice mix. Then we're going to deglaze the bottom with 1 cup of dry white wine. You want to move everything around in there so we can scrape up the fond, followed by 1 gallon of cold water. Now we want to bring this up to a simmer. We want our stock to be really rich. So we're going to bring this up to a simmer and let it sit for about 4 hours until it reduces and really brings out all of those beautiful flavors and the collagen. And after 4 hours, this is what we have. This beautiful, dark, but clear chicken stock. You can smell all the spices coming off of it. Now we're going to strain this and bottle it. Look at that gorgeous color. You can smell all that allspice and cardamom coming off of it. Small batches of stock like this that yield between 2.5 quarts, I love to store in these. These are wide mouth ball jars with reusable lids. You can pick them up on Amazon with reusable lids. These are perfect for stocks, soups, things of that nature. Or I like to store some of my cocktails in here as well. If you want to check out some of my other kitchen basics, click right there. Or if you want to check out some of my cocktails, click up there for Thirsty Thursdays. Until next time, I'm Ron, the Cook.